Every year, 3.1 billion people fly around the world to relax, to seal a deal, for adventure, and for love. Using 220,000 gallons of fuel and producing over 705 million tons of CO2. But what if you could enjoy the journey, not just the destination? If removing the windows could open your eyes more than ever before, reducing weight and reducing cost for you and for the manufacturer. Our technologies can support the development of aircraft fuselage that are thinner, lighter and stronger. With wider seating for passengers, lower fuel consumption and reduced CO2 emissions. With live video streamed to vivid OLED displays offering seamless panoramic views and entertainment, information and in-flight services at your fingertips. It's time to start your journey your way.